It was such a great honour to be asked to produce an album or a project like this, having been a part of the team for almost 25 years now, and being able to play on most of the original recordings of these songs. To be able to revisit them in this nature has been really, really special. These are beautiful songs that have gone out to the four corners of the earth and touched a lot of people. The thought of being able to take those songs and strip them back, maybe even just acoustically or with a piano, is really exciting.
I've always seen church as a place that's meant to be a safe space for people. I grew up in a really small community, people that genuinely loved Jesus and loved each other, coming in from all walks of life. So when Nige told me about this project, I actually got really excited, to be honest. Usually a lot of projects that I am a part of, they're usually like really big sound, so it was kind of nice to be a part of something that would be a bit more intimate.
My wife and I, when we joined Hillsong Church, we joined the creative team. During that 34 years of time, I've been part of a lot of the creative side of church. The process for a project like this, there's always a brief or an understanding of this is a song we want to record, and then it turns into this collaborative process of everyone throws a little bit into the pot. During the rehearsal nights, Nigel would be sitting there playing the guitar and he would go through and do the song, and we'd throw harmonies and just play with it and see how it sounded and see how it worked.
I never want to sing a song. I never, ever want to worship and say things that I don't mean. And I think in this project, being able to sing the song I Surrender over and over again has just been a constant reminder to stay on my knees. I found it really ironic when Nige asked me to sing that song. I feel like that's been my mantra this year. I'm learning that being in a posture of surrender is the best position I could be in.
The message of worship, the message of the gospel hasn't changed. Maybe our expressions of worship has. There's no end to our creativity that we can bring. But at the end of the day, as long as the message of the song comes through clearly, that's the most important thing.
There is an undeniable strength and a unifying focus when you have 10, 50, 100 voices all centered around one purpose, all worshiping God. It doesn't necessarily matter what we've gone through or what our week's been like. God is still God. He is worthy of our praise. He is worthy of everything that we can bring. It takes the focus off ourselves and actually allows that balance and presence of God to move into our lives.
I love to be able to involve our greater creative team. It's just really beautiful, just watching them love their craft and get to use their craft for the glory of God. I think what you hear in the finished result is the sound of a greater creative team. Ultimately, my hope for this album is that wherever you find yourself in life, whatever life throws at you, is that you connect with the songs and the songs help you connect with Jesus.